use it.
Yeah.
You're not using
Well,
whatever data you've
the
got
moment I
in your planes and
approach
stuff.
home, like in Broadmeadows, it connects to it straight away, while I'm like 20-30 meters away from home.
Sharaf DG. The next station is Sharaf DG.
I think the Panadol is kicking in.
We should keep going a little faster. We should just travel faster.
It's weird why it doesn't when I'm sure that it's capable of traveling faster.
I guess it's because it's all automated as well. They've got to have. I don't know why it's got a window wiper. It seems unnecessary.
I missed. Well, what did I miss?
Window wiper.
Ah, yeah, I saw
Seems
that.
unnecessary.
Well, yeah, but yeah, because it's not gonna rain. I was gonna say, because if
But
it
even
rains,
when it does rain,
well, it's probably
it's,
if you're a passenger, it's probably still nice to have a clean window so you can watch, especially if you're a tourist. But then again, how often would it rain?
I've seen it rain like 4 times.
المحطة القادمة
And
هي
once was like a day.
Sharaf DG.
So I'd like last time when you
The
said it was
next
actually wet.
station is
Yeah.
For a while I was like, oh, this is so
Sharaf DG.